Hey, great day to you. So what software do Etsy sellers use for accounting and bookkeeping? Let me share one example of such software with you in this video, dear viewer, and it's called Link My Boks. I'm going to have a free trial of Link My Boks down in the description for you with a great coupon code that saves you 50% off for 3 whole months. Now, Link My Boks is accurate e-commerce accounting on autopilot, basically accounting bookkeeping software. It helps you connect your Etsy store, or also if you have Walmart, Amazon, Shopify, TikTok Shop, eBay, Square, or WooCommerce, you can connect those stores and payment systems to Xero or QuickBooks for accurate e-commerce accounting, save time and money by automating your bookkeeping, all sales, refunds, fees, and taxes accurately accounted for, automate bank deposit matching with Xero and QuickBooks, built-in support for VAT, GST, and sales tax. Again, free trial link my books is down in the description with the best offer. If you want to understand how to use it as an Etsy seller or any of those platform seller, we have a video for you down in the description with Daniel Little, the co-founder and CEO of Link My Boks, where we show you exactly how to use Link My Boks, how to connect it, how it all works, and how it can actually help you with your bookkeeping and accounting as an Etsy seller, or again, Amazon, Shopify, and all the other platforms that we've mentioned. You can check them out, of course, here, as I mentioned before, Etsy, Amazon, Shopify, TikTok Shop, eBay, Walmart, Square, and WooCommerce connected to Xero or QuickBooks. In this video, we show you how to use it with Daniel. Also, if you're an accountant or bookkeeper and you're onboarding Etsy clients or Amazon clients, etc., we have another video where we show you how to use Link My Boks to manage your clients of your accounting firm, small, big, accountancy, whatever you have. If you are such a person, we show you how to use Link My Boks to manage those clients, those e-commerce clients from A to Z. Again, how to connect them, how to onboard those clients, how to connect to Xero or QuickBooks, Link My Boks. Everything is in this video, also linked down in the description for you. And again, free trial of Link My Boks, and the best discounts are also there. So you can enjoy accounting software, bookkeeping software for Etsy sellers or other platforms, as I've mentioned before. And all the videos that show you how to use Link My Boks are in the description. Let's go. Good luck to you. Have a great day.